Very good morning, students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our maths period. Children, you know very well our new chapter is going on. That is chapter number 9, HCF and LCM. Isn't it, children? Yes, HCF means what? Highest common factor. So, children, can you recall that last session what we studied? We studied about how we have to find common factors of the given numbers. Isn't it? So, this session I am going to teach how we got to find highest common factor. Okay, are you ready, children? So that HCF means how we got to find the HCF of the given number. Okay, that means here I will introduce one new method. That method is prime factorization. Prime factorization means it is used to break down. See here, children, that new method, it is called what? Prime factorization. So that prime factorization means it is used to break down or express a given number as a product of prime numbers. Okay, so that given number you have to break into that product of prime numbers. Okay, children, product means you know that is a multiplication. That multiplication of prime numbers. What is meant by prime number here? Can you say? Yes, already you had studied in your 5th standard. Can you recall here, children? Yes, see here. Prime numbers means prime numbers are the positive numbers having only two factors. Okay, prime numbers are having only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Okay, children, that is called what? Prime numbers. Okay, so I have given some numbers here with their factor. See, first one is 1. What is the factors of 2? See here, children, first one what I have given? True. Can you say the factor of 2? 1 and 2. And 3. That factor of 3 is 1 and 3. Next one is 5. 1 and 5. And next one is which number I have given here? 4. Yes, factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. Okay, children. So, this here 2, 1 and 2. That number 1 and that number itself. That is a factor of 2. Isn't it, children? So, this is prime number. And 3 also 1 and 3. That is also prime number. And 5 also, yes, 1 and that number itself. That is a factor of 5. So, 5 also prime number. And here say, can you say that 4 is a prime number? Never. Isn't it, children? 4 is a composite number. So, I hope you understood now what is meant by prime number. Okay, children. So, already you had studied in your 5th standard about these prime numbers. Yes, shall I go to next now? So, children, now I will start a practice set 24. That is, first question is how we have to find the HCF of the given numbers. Okay, this first question contains 10 sums, children. So, directly I will start this exercise. Okay, children. So, when I will solve this sum, easily it will come to know. So, here I will solve this sum with the help of prime factorization method. Okay, see here, first one is what? 45 and 30. HCF of these two numbers we have to find. Okay, see, so 45. See here, children, prime factorization means you have to write this number like this and okay, 45. So that we have to see this number, we can divide by which number? We can completely divide by which number we have to see. Just you have to see you have to check with prime numbers. Okay, children, that's why it is called what? Prime factorization. Just you have to see that first number is what? 1. So 1 is not a prime number. So 2. 2 is a prime number, isn't it? So this 45 can we completely divide by 2? No, because it is odd number. And next prime number is what? 3. Okay, so this 45 can we completely divide by 3? Yes. How it will come to know? Yes, this 2 number 45. This is one number. This 2 digit you have to add. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So 9 we can completely divide by 3. So this 45 also we can completely divide by 3. Okay, children. So here 3 you have to write. And this 45, how many 3's are there? We have to find. Okay, children. So 4. How many 3's are there? 1 3's are there. Remainder is what? 1. So that, see here, children, 45. So we have to divide by 3. Okay, so in 4, how many 3s are there? 1 3s are there. Remainder is what? 1. So that 1 will go here. So if the 1 will go here, it will become what? 15, not 6. Okay children, that you have to mind. So the remainder, if it will go here, yes, it will become 15, not 6. So 15, how many 3s are there children? Very good, 5 3s are there. And see here 15. This 15 we can completely divide by which prime number children? Very good, 3 again. Okay, so 3. And here how many 3s are 15? 5. Okay, understood children? So next one is what? This 5. Can we divide by? Yes, we can divide by 5. So how many 5s are 5 here? 1. Understood children? So these all numbers 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 and 5. Like this we have to write here. So what is the prime factor of 45? Yes, 3 into 3 into 5. Understood now? I hope you understood now. Next one is 30. Like this we have to write and we have to find. Okay children? So children, listen, this also you have to write in your notebook. Okay, and next number is what? 3. Shall we find now? Yes, 30. So 30 is what? Even number. So which this 30 we can divide by which number children? 2. Okay, so how many 2s are 30? Very good, 15 2s are 30. And this 15. 15, yes, which prime number will come here? Yes, 3. This 15 is a odd number, so we can't divide by 2, but we can divide by other prime number, that is 3. Okay, can you say now how many 3s are 15? Very good, 5 3s are 15. So here, see here children, 5 is there. It is a prime number. So we will stop this finding process. Okay children, so this all number you have to write here. 2, 3, 5. That means 2 into 3 into 5. Children, you have to check. First you have to do this process with the help of smallest prime number. Okay, and this final also, this last step also, we want that number that is a prime number. That you have to mind. Okay children, see next after this 2 step, what we have to do? HCF we have to find. That means highest common factor. HCF is equal to, you have to compare these two. Yes, see here children, this is first one and this is second one. So which number is common in both line? You have to see. First one is what here children? 3 is there. See here 3. Just you have to check here 3 is there or what? Yes. So here 1 3 and here 1 3. So instead of this 2 3, you have to take 1. Okay, because this is common factor. Okay children, so 3 into, and here check another 3. Yes, here 3 is there, but here there is no another 3. Only 1 3 is there, isn't it children? And next one is you have to see 5. Here also 5 is there, here also 5 is there. So instead of this 2 5, we have to take 1 5. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So HCF of 45 and 30 is equal to what? 15. I hope you understood now. Is it easy children? Yes. Shall we go to next one? Next one is 16 and 48. The HCF of 16 and 48 we have to find. Are you ready children? See here children, again I am going to use which method? Prime factorization method. Okay, so first what we have to do? 16. What are the prime factors we have to find? How we have to find? Very good. 16 you have to write like this. Yes, and you have to check which prime number we can complete. This 16 is completely divided by which prime number we have to check. This 16 is what? Even number. So 2. Isn't it children? 2. How many 2s are 16? Very good. 8 2s are 16. And again, which prime number will come here? Yes, 2 will come, because 8 is what? Even number. How many 2s are 8? Very good. 4. Again, which prime number will come here? 2. So how many 2s are? Yes, how many 2s are 4? 2 2s are 4. See here, last step, that is 2. That is a prime number. So we will stop here. Okay children. So prime factor of 16 is, see here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. I have written here. I hope you understood now. Shall we go to next one? Shall we find now what are the prime factors of 48? Yes, are you ready children? 48. Okay, 48 you have to write, and you have to check which prime number. Yes, this 48 is completely divided by which prime number we have to check. Yes, can you say here children? 2, because 48 is what? Very good, 48 is even number. Okay, so here 4, how many 2s are there? 2 2s are 4, and 8, how many 2s are there? 4 2s are 8. Again here 24. Yes, we can completely divide by 2. Okay, so how many 2s are 24 children? 12 2s are 24. Okay, and again next one, what? This 12 is there. Again which prime number? Very good, 2 only will come. How many 2s are 12? Very good, 6. Again here it is even number, 6 is a even number, so again 2 only will come. How many 2s are 6? 3 2s are 6. This is final step, you got a prime number, isn't it children? So we will stop now. Okay, so what are the prime factors of 48? Very good, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. I hope you understood this one, how it came like this. Yes, understood children? Very good. See here, next step is what? HCF we have to find. That means common factor you have to write. That is, see here children, here instead of this 2 you have to write 1, and here 1 2 you have to write, and this also 1 2 you have to write, this also 1 2 you have to write, and this 3 there is no common, isn't it children? So here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16. How 16 will come here children? See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay, so highest common factor of 16 and 48 is equal to 16. I hope you understood this one. This method is easy now children. Yes, you have to do practice in your home. Okay. So children, see here third sum, that is 39 and 25. Okay, 39 and 25 we have to find the HCF of these two numbers. So here I have used that first method. Okay children, see here the last session I had taught, no, that method I have used here. See, factors of 39 we have to write first. Factors of 39, how we have to write? Yes, 39. See here 1 into 39. As I told that 1 is the factors of, 1 is the factor of all numbers. Isn't it? So 1 into 39. Next one is, this is what? 39 is odd number. So in 2's table it will not come. Isn't it children? But 39 will come in 3's table. Okay. So 3. 3 into how many 3's are 39? That we have to find. So 13 3's are 39. Okay. So these 4 only, these 4 numbers are the factors of 39. Okay children. So 4, 5, 6, 7, these numbers, that is this numbers table, this 39 will not come as a multiple. So these 4 numbers, that means 1, 3, 13 and 39. These 4 numbers are the factors of 39. Okay children. Next one is factors of 25 we got to find. See here 25. That already you know. Yes, 1 into 25. Okay children. Next one is 2. In 2's table this 25 will not come as a multiple. Why? Very good, because this 25 is the odd number. 3's table it will come, or what we have to check. 25. 2 plus 5 what? 7. So this 25 will not come in 3's table also. In 4th table also it will not come. Isn't it children? 4 4's are 16, 4 5's are 20, 4 6's are 24, 4 7's are 28. So this 25 will not come. Fifth table, just you have to check. 5 5s are 25. So 5 will come. 5 5s are 25. Okay. So another that remaining table 6, 7, 8. This table, this 25 will not come as a multiple. Okay children. So what are the factors of 25, 1, 5, 25? Okay children. See here I have written here. So children, you have to see here factors of 39, factors of 25 I have written. So now common factor we have to find. Common factor is what here? Only 1. Isn't it children? That is 1. So HCF of this 39 and 25 is equal to 1. I hope you understood this one. Yes. Shall we go to next one children? See here. This one is fourth sum. Fourth one is 49 and 56. Children, you can use any one method. Okay, but you have to solve this one. This is your homework. I hope you will do this one. Yes, children, can you do? Very good. Shall we go to next one now? So, children, see here. Fifth sum is 120 and 144 HCF we have to find. Okay, are you ready? Here, prime factorization method we will use. Okay. See here 120, that prime factors of 120 we have to find. Already I have already I have solved here. That is 120 you have to write like this. 120 is what? It is a even number. So 2 I have taken. Okay. So 120, that means in 12 how many 2's are there? 6. So this 0 will come as it is. 60. Okay children. So 60 again here which number will come? 2 will come. How many 2's are 60? Very good. 30 2's are 60. Again here it is a even number. So 2 only will come here. So here how many 2's are 30? 15 2's are 30. Okay children, 15 2's are 30. So here again here which number will come? 15. It will not come in 2's table as a multiple. So but 3 will come. Okay. So 3 you have to write. And next one is what? 3 5's are 15. Okay, and here 5 and here I have written 1. So what are the prime factors of 120? Can you say children? Yes, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, understood now? Next number is what? 144. Are you ready to find? Yes children, see here again I have given this slide here. This thing you have to write in your notebook. Okay children, so 144 I will explain here. 2. So 14 how many 2's are there? 7 and 4 2 2's are there. Again this 72 we can completely divide by which prime number? We have to use that smallest prime number, that is 2. Okay children, 7 how many 2's are there? Very good, 3 2's are there. Remainder is what? 1. So 1 will go here, so it will become 12. 12 how many 2's are there? Very good, 6. Again yes 2. See here children, and here 18. 18 2's are 36. And here it is what? Prime number. Yes, here it is what? Even number. So 2 will come. That means 9 2's are 18. And this 9 will come in which table children? Which prime numbers table? 3. 3 3's are 9. So we will stop now here. Why? Because this 3 is the prime number. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is the prime factors of 144. Okay children, I have written here. See. These two I have written. So now what you have to do? HCF we have to find. For that we have to take the common factor here. So see here, you have to take 1 2, and here also you have to take 1 2, and here also you have to take 1 2, and here next common number is what? Common factor is 3. So you have to take 3. Okay children. So you have to multiply and write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 2's are 4. Here you have to multiply. Okay children, 4 2's are 8, 8 3's are 24. So children, see HCF of 120 and 144 is equal to 24. Children, I hope you understood this prime factorization method, and which method is easy for you, that method you have to follow. Okay children, and one more thing, if you want to solve this prime factorization method, see here children, this also you have to show in your notebook. Okay children, this also you have to show in your notebook. Okay, and see. So children, I hope you understood today's session. Yes, today we studied one new method, that is called what? Prime factorization. Okay children, study the table. At the same time, prime factorization method, you have to mind two things. That is, first you have to divide that number only by smallest prime number. Okay children, and up to that last you have to check that last number is prime number or what we have to check. Okay, and one number I will give here. Can you find that number? 56. Prime factor of 56 we have to do with the help, we have to find with the help of prime factorization. How we have to find here children? You have to solve with me. Okay, 56. 56 is what? It is a even number. So see here children, 56, yes, 2 will come. Okay, 5, how many 2's are there? Very good, 2 2's are there. Remainder is what? 1. So if that 1 will go here, it will yes, it will become 16. 16, how many 2's are there? Very good, 8. Okay, again it is what? Even number. So 2 only will come. Okay, so here in 2, how many 2's are there? 1. And 4, how many 2's are there? Very good, 14. Okay, again here it is a even number, so 2 only will come. How many 2's are 14? Very good, 7. This 7 is what? Prime number. So we will stop now. Okay children, you have to check here also that prime number only we want, and here also we want prime number. Can you say factor of 7? Yes, factor of 7 is 1 and 7. Okay, so that's why this 7 is called what? Prime number. Children, you have to study what is meant by prime number, and you have to keep in your mind that 1 to 20, what are the prime numbers. Okay children, so that 56 is what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Prime factors of 56 is what here children? 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay, like this you have to find. Okay, and here I am going to give some homework also. Are you ready children? Can you do? Yes, see these sums for your homework. First one is what? Yes, 49 and 56, 81 and 99, 24 and 36, 25 and 75. These all numbers you have to find what? You have to find that HCF of these numbers. Okay children, so 4 sum I have given here. I hope you will complete this one. Okay children, can you do? Yes, thank you children. Sai Ram.